Hi guys, welcome back. So this is my first official video for Shed Wars 2022. I'm on Team Will It Grow. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you first off how I sow my tomatoes. I'll do that with them, and then pricking them out and potting them on into the individual pots, and eventually potting on into bigger pots again. Do have all these in here to put on, but I won't show you me doing all of them. Right, so I'll get the camera set up and we'll get on with it. Right then guys, so the first thing we need to do is save some compost. I'm using an all-purpose blend, Jack's Magic. So, nice and easy, just run that through sieve. When you're starting your seeds off, you don't want bits like this in there, as the roots all get tangled up in there and you'll have a job separating them. So got some nice finely sieved compost there. So I like to use these square pots because you can fit more of them together than circle pots. So just top that pot up with that. And this variety is Tumbling yellow. I'll be growing these for hanging baskets. There's only 15 seeds in here. So just scatter them evenly across the top. Give them a very light spraying with some room temperature water. And I like to add a bit of vermiculite on top. Just helps to stop the seeds from drying out. And very carefully, not to blow it all the way, Give that another good soaking. And add a label, and I'll keep that on top of my fish tank where it's nice and warm, and just make sure it doesn't dry out until they look something like this. And then I'll pot these on into these cell trays. But first, just going to add a bit more compost to there. I'm going to add half a scoop of charge. This is mealworm castings. And half a scoop of fish blood and bone. A good mix in. Handy little tool, little dipper. Just dip some holes right the way down to the bottom of the pot. Because tomatoes will grow roots all the way up the stem, you really want to plant them as deep as you can each time you transplant them. And all I'm going to do these is tip them out with the pot gently and just tease a corner off. But because I've used sieved compost, these should come apart very easily. I'm going to be dipping them in some mycorrhizal fungi. This is Q4 root more. It's just a powder version, so just dip the roots in that. Get them right down to the bottom of the tray. And always try and hold them by the leaf because the stems are very delicate. There you go, as easy as that. These ones are Roma, which are a plum tomato. So just give them a good soak in with the sprayer. They can stay there. So I'll get the rest of these done off camera and then we'll get on to the big ones. So I have two different types here. We have a bush cherry, which is a determinate, and a normal cherry, which is an indeterminate. And you can see the difference with the bush, how the shoots that are growing, you don't need to pinch them side shoots out, but on the indeterminate ones, just pop them off and these will grow taller and these will stay shorter and more bushy. So just pull off any of those dead leaves, bad leaves. So sieved up some more compost. Doesn't need to be sieved for this stage, but I'd rather have it sieved. So some more fish blood and bone. Nice even coating. Again, more charge. Let's do 2 cups this time because these are a lot further ahead, so they'll take a stronger feed. Just give that a mix. And tomatoes like a lot of calcium when fruiting. So just got some blended up eggshells, and I'll just mix that into that as well. So that's all nice and mixed up. So you'll be stepping them up a couple of pot sizes, and I'll plant them right at the bottom of the pot. So I need to take these 2 leaves off this one. And I've already taken off all the side branches. So just a tiny bit in the bottom there. Loosen up roots. Light dust in the mycorrhizal fungi. And fill the pot right to the top. The label, and give that a good soaking. And onto the bush cherry one now. So I don't need to take the side shoots off this one. Just a little bit in the bottom of the pot. Water that in. Right guys, so that's the 3 ways I do my tomatoes. From sowing the seeds, pricking out, and potting on. So I'm going to get the rest of these done. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment. Bye for now.